Efficiency for me in the kitchen is something that I strive for daily. These machines help me define my style more as a chef. It actually takes a little bit of the stress off of a chef in the kitchen and helps us focus on the integrity of each ingredient and deliver the precision every single time. The Rational ICombi Pro helped me cook 3 things at one time in this dish. I was able to reheat my demi, make my cauliflower puree, and also steam my beets. I programmed it in and it alerted me when each ingredient was done. This makes it very easy for anybody to know when it's ready, especially when you're very busy, giving me the freedom to move around my kitchen and not have that worry if I'm burning any ingredients. With the egg yolk sphere, I used the Hydro Pro Plus. I cooked it at 155 degrees for 1 hour. Once cooled down with the Irinox blast chiller, I'm able to crack the egg, run it under water, take the first 2 layers of the egg whites out, and have this beautiful quiche-like texture sphere. I dehydrated some mushrooms in the Irinox MultiFresh NEXT to make a mushroom powder. Time is sometimes overlooked, and being able to use these machines to help bypass time and get to your result quicker is something that I did with the watermelon tuna. With the Henkelman vacuum sealer, I was able to smoke and compress for 3 days to reach the texture that I like for my watermelon tuna. The best part of these bags is that they're 100% recyclable. I wrapped the fillet in a mushroom pate, then rolled and vacuum sealed with my aromatics, cooking at 125 degrees for 1 hour in the Hydro Pro Plus. I can preset everything, walk away, come back, it's done. With the mushrooms being very delicate around the fillet, what I used to sear was a parchment paper and aromatics until the outside of the mushroom was perfectly brown. To create a foam with the veal demi-glace, I added soy lecithin to create a foamy sud sensation on the dish. Being the chef I am, I always strive for consistency, precision, and determination. These machines have done nothing but help me and free my hands to get back to the things that really matter. I'm able to preset everything that I'm doing so that my employees are able to do it as well, every single time. No hiccups, no I didn't show up to work, they're always clocked in, they never leave, and they're giving me the exact product that I need every single time.